Hoi, ik ben Ruth en vandaag ben ik bij Theo Knoop. Ik heb al mijn hele leven blond haar en ik zou eigenlijk graag wat donkerder haar willen. Daarnaast heb ik heel erg gespleten punten. Moet ik weer naar de kapper en vandaag gaat het weer gebeuren.
Okay, this is Ruth, and she wants a bit darker color. She never colored her hair before. She has wonderful natural shades, and she has split ends. So that's what I'm going to do with a hot scissor. And I ask her for you and the rest of the world to turn around. Wil je even een rondje draaien? Dankjewel. Hier. Hello friends on YouTube. Gonna do her hair. It's the first time she models for me. So I start with pinning up the hair. Of course, going to protect her with a cape. Gonna cut her hair with a TCC1 haircut of the Jaguar because she wants to have long hair and she wants healthy hair. So when you have split ends, it's the best way to do a haircut with. After the cut, I will certainly give her a color. I will give her a color on a very low base because I don't want to damage the hair and because it's the first time that she has a color. Going to do this cut standing, so I free the hair, then wet it a bit, and then I'm going to show you how I do that. Brush the hair with a tangle teaser. Now she has almost no layers in it, because you can see that on the shape of her hair. And she wants a little bit more, but not too much, because then her hair becomes too thin. Part the hair over the center line, and lay it to the front. Then brush the hair over the natural fall of the scalp. And when I've done that, I ask her to stand up. I'm going to make the cut. Part the hair over the center line, so now she can stand up. I ask her to bend to the front. Then I can see how the hair is laying. This is the length of her hair. So when I have this angle is the perfect line for a straight line. And when I go up, I get a little bit more layers in it. Use the natural roundings of a scalp. Now she wants a little bit more layers, so I watch at the natural fall and think the natural fall is by the bending. So I'm going to work till I get on the ends, but I start in this line. Just cutting in a natural way, in the natural lines. Following the cape flat. Correct the underlayer. In the opposite lines. And now I'm certain that I have a natural line in her hairlines and the way I cut. This part is a little bit more thick. So I go in with my scissors straight up and thin it a bit so it falls more natural. Now I throw it to the back. I only have to cut in the center. Snel hè?
Goed.
Goed.
Ik zag alles wel naar beneden vallen, ik vond het spannend.
Ja, het is nog helemaal niet korter geworden. Dat is het mooie ervan. Dat je denkt dat het korter is geworden, maar het is het absoluut niet. Ik ga binnenkort aan zee ook films maken.
Op zee?
Aan zee.
Oh, aan zee, oh
ja, misschien
wow.
ook op zee ook niet.
Dat is wel
aan zee ook.
Mooie achtergrond.
Ja, zoals als je dit haar hebt bijvoorbeeld, dan laat je gewoon waaien door de wind.
Wow.
En dan krijg je het allemaal knippen.
Gewoon mee maar.
Nog korter.
Oh.
Wet the hair a bit. Turn it so you can see what I'm doing in the center. bend your head to the front. This I do because then the upper layers go a little bit more up and the under layers stay on the natural line. And now only cut the dry ends. And the wonderful thing about the TCC1 cap cut is you have very lovely sexy hair. It feels more soft, nice, more feminine. And it will grow for more than a half year in her case, because she has natural hair. Yeah, and after a half year you only have to take off a centimeter or something like that, so you don't lose any length anymore. Can make a collar. Okay, make sure the collar, but first, before I do that and bring it on my hair, I set her aside and put on protection. The nice thing about the plastic foil is that you can work on it, so you can lay the hairs on it and part it over the center line again, go into the neckline. I sent some photos in the video so you can see what I used. The colors I used are of attitude, comes in this kind of tubes. I used a 731, it is a gold ashy tone. This is the book of attitude and comes with all these colors. I use 1.5% as 5 volume. Also I put in a plaque system, so I'm certain that her hair will stay in a wonderful condition. And the nice thing is working with 5 volume is that you hold all the natural colors, because they're just going to be a more deep of color and not damaged at all. Take every time about a centimeter of hair. Put it up, hold it down, lay it on my hand.
It's cold.
Yeah, outside also. But next week it will be 30 degrees again.
I hope so.
Yeah, it was on the broadcast.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I don't like it at all. I love snow, even in summer. I love snow. So I always go into the fridge and have my winter time.
Yeah.
I would love it to have a American fridge with a chair in it.
Yeah. It would be nice. Especially when it's so hot, like 30 degrees or something.
Yeah, 30 plus. Celsius, because there are a lot of Americans watching these videos.
Of course.
The nice thing is also that it's ammonia free, so it don't damage the hair at all. And so do all hair. Now I've got all the color on her hair, massaged a little bit in. I leave it open so it can go very quietly. Ooh. So leave this for 30 minutes without heat, and then we'll rinse it out and come back to show you the end result. This is the black system I used. It's a wonderful product. I will certainly make a photo of it and show you that. And I did the conditioner plaques on the end, of course, when it rinsed out. Before I style a hair, I put on a thickener of Lakme. It smells always wonderful.
Zeker.
Yeah. It's a spring feeling.
Yes.
Part hair again over the center line. Pin it up, start blow drying in the neckline, working up till I get on top. Ready with blow drying.
Ja, dat ik wel spierballen van of niet?
Dat valt wel mee. On top of this I lay a little bit polish. It's also of Lakme, it smells wonderful. And all this product. And this is a new color, and I cut split ends and it made some layers in it. Free from all the protection. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Yeah. Okay, my love, you may show your new color and hair to the world. Will you stop at the back and then show how your hair falls? And how does your hair feel?
Soft.
Yeah, okay.
Healthy.
Thank you for modeling. Hallo.
Bij deze geef ik je toestemming om de video te delen op social media, zowel Facebook als YouTube.
Hartstikke goed, dankjewel.
Alsjeblieft.